technology.
Hello guys, so today I'm finally gonna show you my first ever PC build. Now I am really happy about this. I built this rig or PC about 2 months ago, I think, or 1 month ago. Anyways, the video here is gonna show you all the parts and how the PC performs. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get going. Now, starting with the motherboard, I got an H87N Wi-Fi motherboard. Now, it shows this motherboard for 2 reasons. One is that I needed a mini RTX motherboard and I'm not overclocking. Second is that I need a Hackintosh compatible motherboard. However, my Hackintosh installation failed for now. Now, one of the best things about this motherboard is the Wi-Fi stick that comes with it. Now, as you can see in the picture, the speed is just amazing. Now, for Wi-Fi, that's amazing. This could be, or I dare say that this seems to be much faster than the DSL cable that's connected to my other computer. Since I'm not overclocking and I'm doing a bit of video editing and I like Intel, I've gone with the i5 4670. I'm using the stock Intel cooler. Now, it's not that bad. I'm getting 34 Celsius on the CPU and 54 on the system while editing. What many of you would consider a big letdown is that I'm using the internal graphics. Now, I'm using them because of the budget. However, they are usable and they are underestimated. For the RAM, I've gone with the Crucial Ballistix ports. Now, they are dual channel because they're faster, obviously. Anyways, and they are 1600 MHz. Now, for storage, I'm using an SSD and a normal hard drive. Now, the SSD is a Kingston 120 GB. Now, it really is a good buy for the money. As for the hard drive, there's really nothing to say, just a blue WD 1TB hard drive. And now, something that really looks nice in my system is the CX500M. This is the power supply, which is 500 watts. And at last, the case. The case is the Cooler Master Elite 130. It's seriously one of the best mini RTX cases on the market. It gives great airflow. I mean, this thing is really small and has a lot of mesh holes. And now it's time for some benchmarks. Now, or yet better, some real life performance. So first of all, I'm gonna measure the boot time. Now, the timer below is ahead by 2 seconds. Anyways, so as you can see right now, just right now, okay, so the boot time is less than 20 seconds. Okay, so for this test, I'm just gonna open Sony Vegas up and just show you some projects to just show you how fluid the work is and how smooth the computer is. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just scrolling between things and there's just no hiccups at all. It's just so fluid. Anyways, so let's go to another thing. I'm now going to launch the slowest browser of all time, which is the Internet Explorer, and you will see how fast it is on this computer. Now, as you can see, it just launched and no problem at all. Now, next thing I'm going to show you is the benchmarks from Geekbench. This is the 32-bit of the application, because if you're going to use 64-bit, you have to buy it first, and of course I did not do that. Anyways, and as you can see, there are really good scores when you compare them to other devices, which I'm just gonna show you in a few seconds. Okay, so what you see before you is the other scores of Macs and Apple devices from Geekbench. So definitely my device does compare with these devices, and it really shows you the power of the Raibbl PC. Thank you very much for watching. And now we'll just leave you with some part of the build while I was building the computer. Anyways, please excuse my appearance in the video since I was really afraid of static electricity. Anyways, Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And for more videos like this, please press the subscribe button. And please like this video if you like it, and if you dislike it, just dislike it. And please tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you again, and goodbye.